Hello dear friends, I am Dundappa Patil. Today we are going to discuss regarding the 7 C's of communication. Uh, in communication, effective communication is very important so that the receiver or a reader of the message need to receive the message as intended by the sender or the speaker. So the here we have some 7 C's. How these are very important while we are having conversation or communication with the person to whom we wanted. So in 7 C's we have first one is clear. So whenever we writing or speaking to someone else, so our message should be very clear and be clear about your goal or message. Your message should be very clear so that what is your purpose in communicating with this person. So to be clear, try to minimize the number of ideas in each sentences. So if you are not sure about your message, then your audience will not be sure either whether what you are trying to convey to them. So for that reason, so to be clear, try to minimize the number of ideas in each sentences what you are trying to tell to them. Okay, and make sure that it is easy for your reader to understand your message or meaning. People shouldn't have to read between the lines and make assumptions on their own to understand what you are trying to say. So information and actions required must be clear. So the reader has to inform information, they need to take actions. For that reason, whenever we are trying to communicate with the person, to be clear with about your goal and message, why you are having the conversation or having a communication to the person. So clear with the message. Next one is concise. Concise means when you are concise in your communication, stick to the point and keep it brief so that your audience doesn't want to read 6 sentences when you could communicate your message in 3 lines. So keep it short and brief and very solid. So make sure that are there any adjectives or filler words, or are there any unnecessary sentences. You can often eliminate words like for instance, you see, definitely, kind of, literally, basically, or I mean. So this kind of some adjective should avoid maximum as much as possible, so it is not going to be confuse the reader. And are there any unnecessary sentences, and have you repeated the point several times in a different way. So no need to repeat a sentence in a different way, so it definitely going to confuse the reader. So keep it short and brief, so that is concise. Next, third point is concrete. When your message is concrete, then your audience has a clear picture of what you are telling them. It fits your audience. So correct communication is also error free communication. There are details about the message you are intended to deliver to them, but not too many. And vivid facts, it should be included vivid facts and means different information whatever the reader need. And there is a laser like focus, so your message should be very focused what you are intended to communicate with them. So then you can say your message is solid. Concrete means your message should be very solid message. Next, correct message. When your communication is correct, it beats your audience, and correct communication is also error-free communication. Mm, do the technical terms you used fits your audience level of education and knowledge? So make sure that whenever you're using some jargons or high frequency words, before using all these words and terminologies, make sure that the audience have that education or knowledge to understand those terminologies and some jargons or whatever you're using in the communication. So that is also very important. If they are not understand those uh, high words, it is going to be again confusion to them. So make sure that check your writing for grammatical errors, as well as remember spelling check will not be catch everything. So you are supposed to check grammatical errors as well. And are all names and titles spelled correctly in the message whenever you are writing to the person? So it is very important. Grammatical mistakes should be avoided, and technical words whichever you are going to use also, whether it is understandable by the reader. These are all very important while you are communicating. Next word is coherent. Coherent means when you are communicating or your communication is coherent, it is logical. Coherent means it should be very logical, that all points are connected and relevant to the main topic. So you are not supposed to jump somewhere else and come afterwards. So whatever you are communicating to the person who receiving the message should be understand that whatever the information you have added in the message should be related to the main topic, so that it is easy to understand the reader. And tone and the flow of the context is also very important, and it should be very consistent, so that reader will not going to be get confused. Next point is complete. Your message should be complete message. There should not be half message or half information. The audience has everything they need to be informed, and if applicable, take action. So whenever you are communicating to the person or sending a message to take actions in further process, that time you need to give all the informations whatever they needed, so that they can take action. Does your message include call to action, so that your audience clearly knows what you want them to do? So what actions they need to take, that all needed information you should be provided to them. So it will not give them any hesitation to take action. And have you include all relevant information like contact names, dates, times, location, and so on. So all those information needs to be included in the message. Next and last one is courteous. Courteous communication is friendly, open, and coherent. So there are no hidden insults or passive aggressive tones. So you need to have polite communication pattern, so that reader may become motivated by reading the message. So you keep your reader's viewpoint in mind, and you are empathetic to their needs. So these are some 7 C's of communication. while you are communicating with your audience, make sure that your message should be clear and concise, concrete and correct, coherent and complicate sorry not complicate complete message. So it should not be complicated. So these are the 7 C's of communication. Thank you.